If your skin is damaged, it can look like this, extremely dry and dehydrated, or it can look like this, sensitive and inflamed. If you have damaged skin, it just means that your skin's barrier has been compromised. It means that your skin's barrier has been disrupted, and that is why your skin is prone to so much damage. But you don't have to worry, because I have found the perfect solution to fix this problem. I have this perfect product with me which will help to repair your skin's barrier. This is by the DERMAT. It's their 4% Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisturizer. Now this moisturizer contains 4% ceramide complex. Ceramide complex helps to repair and strengthen your skin's barrier. So when your skin's barrier is weak or when it's compromised, your skin is too much prone to damage, and environmental factors like pollution or change in weather can affect your skin in a very bad way. When you don't know what's going on with your skin, when everything and anything triggers your skin, when everything makes your skin red and inflamed, it just means that your skin's barrier has been disrupted, and you want to use a product like this which has ceramide complex, because ceramide complex helps you repair and strengthen your skin's barrier, making your skin stronger and less prone to damage. This also has 2% of niacinamide. Now niacinamide helps in improving the ceramide production in your skin. So niacinamide will help to increase the production of ceramide in your skin, thereby protecting your skin in turn. Also, this has oxylans. Now oxylans helps in improving the skin's oxygenation, so your skin can end up breathing properly. Oxylans does that for your skin. So this moisturizer over and all helps to repair your damaged barrier. It helps to strengthen your damaged barrier. It helps to moisturize and nourish your skin from deep within, and it allows your skin to breathe. It's like the most perfect moisturizer for sensitive, inflamed, dehydrated skin. And if your skin's barrier is compromised, if your skin is damaged, you want to try this moisturizer out. This moisturizer provides up to 24 hours of moisture. It feels so lightweight, so comfortable, and it's absolutely non-greasy. It's also dermatologist approved, so you want to use this moisturizer if you have dry, dehydrated, sensitive, inflamed skin. If you have damaged skin, you want to use this moisturizer, and trust me, it's going to repair your skin like no other moisturizer. You can use this once or twice a day, every single day. However, I like using it in my night skincare regime, because it's the night time that your skin actually repairs itself. So that is when I love using this. This acts as an anti-aging product for me. This acts as a skin repair product for me during the night time, and it just works wonderfully for my sensitive skin. Also, another product that I really want you guys to try out from the DERMAT is their 2% niacinamide gentle skin cleanser. I've been using this cleanser all winters, and it's so super gentle on the skin. Again, if you have damaged skin, if you have inflamed skin, sensitive skin, dehydrated skin, then this is the perfect cleanser for you. You can use it twice a day, in your morning as well as in your night regime. And why I love this so much is because it is 100% soap free, so it cleans your skin without drying it out. It's absolutely non-irritating. It is super gentle on the skin. बिल्कुल भी आपकी skin को irritate नहीं करता. It just cleans your skin and does not have any other side effects on your skin, and it also does not strip off the natural oils of your skin. It will not make your skin extremely dry and dehydrated even during winters. So this is like the perfect, most gentle, non-drying cleanser that you can use on sensitive skin. And चाहे आपकी skin कितनी भी inflamed हो, if you use this cleanser, it will not irritate your skin further, but it will instead clean your skin, soothe it, and calm it down. It is that kind of a cleanser. So I really love this cleanser. This is DERMAT approved again, and I have been using it all winter. So if you have sensitive skin, if you have inflamed skin, if you have dehydrated skin, or if you have damaged skin in general, you want to try out a combination of both of these products. You want to use the cleanser first, followed by the moisturizer. You can use it twice a day, in your morning as well as in your night regime, and you will see a noticeable difference in just 3 to 4 days of using these products. That is how quick they work. You will notice that the sensitivity on your skin and the redness on your skin will be reduced to a great extent once you start using these products. You will notice that your skin will repair itself once you start using these products. So I highly recommend both of these these products for sensitive, damaged skin. If you want to try these out, I will leave the purchase links in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or directly purchase them from DERMAT's website. You can use my discount code RIA2024 for a 20% off. Whenever you place an order on DERMAT's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have already helped more than 10,000 students across the year, which is such a good thing that DERMAT has done. Moreover, these products are also fragrance free, so even if you have like the most sensitive skin and your skin reacts to any and every product, it will not react to these because these are fragrance free as well. So I highly recommend you try out both of these products. I will leave the purchase links in the description box below for you all to check them out. If you end up trying them out, do let me know how they work out for you. They have been working amazingly well for my sensitive skin. Winters are the time when your skin becomes damaged and sensitive, and these products are a lifesaver for my skin. So I highly recommend you try both of these products out. A combination of both of these products will give you the best results. So I highly recommend you try them out. So that was my video on how you can repair your damaged skin, on how you can strengthen your skin's barrier and make your skin stronger. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below what other kind of videos would you like to see. Subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.